What's good, YouTube? We're doing a car show today. Car show. We got the truck out. Got a truck out today. Yeah, car show. But no, nothing bashing here.
Oh, watch out.
Don't mess me around. Alright, we're at the little show you the car show. Got a little SRT right there. Truck's over there. Thing's beastie, bro.
Oh, but you guys drove here, huh?
What?
Huh?
Why? Because all these cars are like hella nice, bro.
Oh, yeah? That's not what you said earlier. What'd you say?
Yeah, it's nice.
Of course.
I don't know, but I want a little Honda. You got some Sky Pack out here.
Smells like a casino. Smells like a casino out here.
It does, it does, it does.
Sorry.
Hold on, fit check, fit check. Alright, fit check.
What?
Fit check with the orange beard, bro.
I can't stop doing that.
Fit check. How much the sweater?
This is like 80.
80. How much the pants?
Like 60. Like 70.
The shoes?
Or like 830.
Damn.
Yeah, I bought it for little bro on his birthday, you know.
Shut up, bro. You're not rich. Cook on the black cats on, huh?
Yeah, that. You got some cargos?
Your face over.
I'm trying to, because your dad's here.
No way.
Really?
I'm gonna look at cars because these bozos are being weird. These are GoPro. Like this. You guys are weird, but hella nice. Hella nice. I like that little truck over there. I'll show you. But I like that right there. That's fun. That's fire though.
I used to have one, bro. Hey, my uncle had one.
That's fun too. What? I'm trying to show the cars. Keep going. What is this dude doing?
You said you got a pendulum. You want to hit a pendulum?
Anybody has a Charger? Big old truck, but the other truck over there is better.
This truck is big.
That is big.
What's big? Sorry.
Get the guy out of here.
Not my dick.
He said that. He said, no, my dude. Okay, on a little EG like this or something. Little truck over there. That's nice. But I want a little Honda so bad. It looks hella good. So really clean. We're just chilling.
13 blips in the world.
Like,
Never put my truck open. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, hey, my
yo.
That's a blend.
Yo! Yo, remember, like, what if I like RPG, like from GTA? Simply Faces? dope.
I've seen the photos of the house.
It does. I was waiting for our food. Yeah, but it's so kind of cool. It's kind of cool. We saw a good weird blimp. Then all these cars are pretty cool. We're just waiting for our food right now. And these bozo. What happened?
No. Look at that burrito.
It's sick out here. It's sick out here. Here with Cuddy. We even got the same thing. We got some birria tacos. Shit, fire. Hold on. How's your food? Damn. Oh my. This cause it's cold.
I know you.
We got done with the taco. More?
On my mother.
Of a raindrop, 20 grains of salt, at up to 100 times more potent than morphine. The tiniest amount of ibuprofen is all it takes to cause an overdose. Fentanyl can be mixed into heroin, cocaine, pressed pills, meth, and other drugs. And you wouldn't be able to see it, taste it, smell it.
Mi San Judas en mi pecho va con tinta. Ese viejo es el que a mí siempre me cuida. Una Glock 19 para la vista. Y también me la rolo por San Isidro. Cuento con el amor de mi madrecita. A mi esposa estoy de más agradecida. Mucho me apoyó. La historia es muy... Estás preguntando por ahí, enviándome solicitudes.
They said 50 miles, they're going 80. They're going 70 and 50 miles. Shut up, nigga.
We're home, Cuddies. No, we're not home. Not my cousin's house, but we left the car and meet. This is gonna be a little 8-10 minute video. Little something for the YouTube.
Hey, where's Bandit? Oh, Alex. So look, I want my cousin's.
But this is the end of the video. Hope y'all like it. It's a little chill vlog.
If it's smoke, then it's smoke, come get at me then. When I leave, bitch, leave, gon' be happy then. I was down, it was fake, I couldn't ask for 10. Now I'm straight, all I know is bring it.